I wanted to say something about moisture. Now, at one point, this was painted green, and maybe something else. And then it looks like they put a thin coat of concrete over it, and then coated it probably with something like dry lock. Now, what happened is parts are hollow, so if you take a hammer and go along it, you could hear they're hollow. So I've been breaking them out and sweeping it off, and then I'm going to dry lock it. Try to get all the loose pieces off. We don't want them on there. So I'll go through it again, but most of it I do have. Now we're also tearing out underneath the stairs. I had put in a closet, which seems like a great storage idea, but the problem is it's just not good in the basement whenever you start sealing things off. I'm really against finishing them off with 2x4s and everything else, because any moisture then becomes a problem and you don't even see it. It's like a hidden problem. So we're painting the blocks, so it'll look finished, but there's no wood in there to rot. I think moisture control needs to start on the outside of the house, get everything away, but you do need to do things right inside also. So that's where we're at. We did a bunch on the floor. We're going to lay some more floor here. We move the posts over. We can fill all this in now. Pull the rest of these 2x4s out. I'm leaving these in for support right now in case the stairs is weak. Eventually I'll be changing it and there'll be different supports anyways. Okay, let's get to work laying some more stone.